Okay, this is Friday, 2 days after I tried to release Birdie Bird, who I've decided is a song sparrow. This is his new cage. I'll be putting him in until probably Monday. The weather forecast here is horrible until Monday, so I figure I'll release him in good weather anyway. But I got him a perch. We'll see if he sits on it. I've got it weighted down so it won't turn over like before. And a couple of things of water and some seed. And on this particular one, I put some tape over the front of it, sticky side out. So I'm going to get a little bit more light. I don't know if he wants light or not, but he's going to get more light. There's Babs. Babs don't do birds, do you, Babs? No. And here he is in the old cage. I had to put it in the bathroom because I'm just going to have to reach in and grab him, and he's liable to get loose, and this is a confined area here, so I ought to be able to keep up with him, hopefully. Okay, take it easy. Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Right there he is. Heart's beating a mile a minute, but he'll be happier in his new home. Okay. That went better than I expected. So I don't think I'm going to be changing them anymore between now and Monday. Alrighty, let's see how this new home goes. Oh, he's strong. I can tell just by the way he's wiggling in my hand how much stronger he is than he was the last time. Okay, new cage. There we go. Birdie Bird needs some food. Hey, Birdie Bird. Yep. Ah, see there? He jumps up on his perch now. I don't know if you really could see that or not. Come on, Birdie Bird. It's the first time he's really jumped on it when I've been around here. He hangs around at the front all the time. Jumps up on his perch quite often there. I gotta give him some new food. Here's his new food. As you can see, wow, he totally has demolished his old food there. His cage is pretty nasty, but I don't want to have to handle him again to change cages or anything or to clean this, because tomorrow he is being released tomorrow. So Yeah. Hey, Birdie Bird. Okay, I have just a few questions for you before I release you. As a condition of your parole, do you agree not to hang around with any seedy characters? Are you now, or have you ever been a member of the Crumb and Nest Party? Do you agree never to poop on my windshield again, and do you feel remorse for all the previous windshield poopings you have been a perpetrator of? According to one of my sources, you're in the process of writing a book entitled, and I quote, "I Thought I Saw a Putty Cat." I feel it's my duty to inform you that we have strict laws against the libeling of others and the illegalities of feathering your own nest at others' expense. My source states thusly: I was innocently lying in the yard, and during one particularly satisfying yawn, the defendant, now known as Birdie Bird, flew into my mouth. Had I not had previous hairball expectoration experience, I surely would have strangled to death. What have you got to say for yourself? Settle down, settle down. Okay, well, I personally think you're lying through your beak, but I'm going to release you anyway. All right, let's go. Okay, the big day for Birdie Bird has finally arrived. He's got kind of a few cats to deal with, but I expect that to be no problem. I expect he's going to fly right on off. I've got it. Camera's all rigged up to hopefully I'll get a decent picture of him. I'm going to put a clamp right here on the front of this, and I'm thinking maybe he'll come out and perch on the clamp a minute before he takes off, or maybe not. Here he is. It's right back there. The sun's kind of bright. It's kind of hard to see out here, but he's back there. I'm going to open up the cage, put my clamp on, and we're going to see what happens here. There's the cage open. There's my clamp. Circling around in the cage, he's up on the perch. Really felt sure he was gonna take right on off out of there. Looking around. Yeah, he goes back to the back. Take this clamp off. It's just in the way. He's not gonna get on that clamp. Come on, Birdie Bird. You gonna fly on out? I didn't expect him to take quite this long. Things out. There's a bunch of bugs flying around here, by the way, in case you're wondering what it is you're seeing, if you can see it. Come on, birdie bird. Fly away. No, you're not gonna fly away? You need another meal or two first? Uh-oh. Oh, crap. You're not gonna fly? No, I'm almost sure you can fly. Oh, come on. Don't just stay under the car. That's the worst place all possible for you to stay. Where you at? Well, this does not go well. Where the heck are you? Birdie bird. Where are you? Ah. Where'd you go? I'll leave that one on for an overview. Where'd you go? Where is it, Babs? You didn't sit on him, did you? I don't believe you did. Where'd he go? Where is he? Where's he at? Yeah, I know you're not a bird person, but you could at least tell me where he went. Ah, crap. Well, the cats definitely do not know where he's at. They could just like care less right at the moment. They're not really aware that there's a bird on the loose, except maybe Babs, and Babs doesn't care. And right here cares a lot, and she's got no reaction at all. Yeah, hello everybody. Looks like the bird has hopped the coop. It hadn't flown the coop. Well, maybe it flew the coop, I don't know, but it went to the left side of the van. I gave chase to the left side of the van. And unbeknownst to me, it came out the right side of the van, right along through there, and went to parts unknown. I didn't know where it went at the time. I reviewed my film from my other cameras and saw it scurrying away, and I never saw it. All three cats were out here and they never saw it. So yeah, I can only hope that it did wind up flying away. I have no clue. This is Monday. It did fly Saturday. I mean, I was changing its food Saturday, and it flew out of the cage and lightly flew into a window. It didn't hurt it a bit. I picked it up, and if I hadn't picked it up, it would have flew again. But anyway, I picked it up and put it in the cage, back in the cage. So Saturday it could fly. So I can only assume that today it can fly too. I was, just about 100% positive it was going to fly straight out of the cage, but it threw a curveball at me. But anyway, as you can see on the film that I'm about to show here, it came back out the right side of the van. You'll see, just got to look close. You just see a little blur, just practically. It just scoots right along and out of the frame. So yeah, and I've been out here like about an hour since then. I went down and looked and around in all the little nooks and crannies and looked everywhere, and the cats followed me, and they didn't see it or pick up on its scent or anything. And believe me, Susie can smell a bird a mile away. So yeah. Anyway, that's how it stands. Bye, everybody.